Hello there, Professor Candido here to go over something that's required you to do in the lab portion of each assignment for each chapter. So you have review questions, lab, and a quiz. So the lab part is where you go to the back of the book, start on a certain page, do an exercise such as 4-1, type in the commands, see how it works, and answer a question. So we have now a requirement where you have to prove your work. So generally, it will be the last question and I will share my screen with you. So here's an example. Okay. So right here, the last question, you have to prove your work. If you don't upload a screenshot of your work you've done, you will get a 0 for the assignment, sadly, even if you answer every question right. And I'm going to show you about how to do that. So you go to your image, make sure your name is showing in the prompt right here. That way you can attest to your work. You're going to use something called the snipping tool in Windows. Mac, I believe, has something called the screen grab tool. Right here is the snipping tool. Just type in snipping, boom, and then it looks like this. So you say new, you grab the last part of it with your name showing the work you've done. That will suffice. Okay, the snipping tool will come up and you have the ability to save it to your computer. So right here, I'm going to call it uh, proof lab. Professor C should put your name on it. Make note of where you store it as a PNG. Beautiful. You can minimize or shut that down. We can go to Blackboard. And then you come down here to the plus. You say embed. Sorry, I made a mistake. Click on image. You can upload. You navigate right here, proof, open, hit next, next. Okay. Kind of answer here. You can display name, submit, and there you go. And then you can submit your assignment. All right. If you have any questions, reach out to me or the SI, and we'll be happy to help you.